YMC. Thank you, Garbo and Conte. One more time. Last call for DW1, Yankee.
DWYMC, checking in 73, mabuhay.
Thank you for checking in 73 and mabuhay. 4 Golf 1, Zulu Victor, Dinamonan, JS1 56.
Good morning, Kuya Dan, and all stations. Good morning. 4G1 Zulu Victor joining the net. Assalamualaikum, Ramadan Mubarak. 73.
Good morning, bro. Yahya, thank you for checking in 73 and mabuhay. DB1, Yankee, Victor, Charlie, Molino, JS1 BBC.
Good morning, Tito Dan. Good morning all around. Delta Victor 1, Yankee Victor Charlie, checking in 73, mabuhay.
Good morning, all stations.
Mga tawag dito, mga makukulit, mga security, pati nga po barangay at doon, may construction pa nga po dun eh, may na-order ng buhangin tsaka semento.
Breaker. Break. Breaker.
Dami, pakipulot mo na, Miss Tapet.
Pwede na ba tayo mag-start ng net?
Dito Yahya, pwede na mag-start. Pinulit ka na kay Tito Umi eh.
Roger, sige. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, all stations. Good morning, fellow hams. Good morning, Facebook. Ayun, may nakabyo na. Good morning, amateur world. Bismillah. Today is the 6th day of June, 2018. Also the 21st day of Ramadan, 1439. Today also marks the first night that started tonight, the first of the last 10 nights of Ramadan. This is the nights where all Muslims endeavor to stay awake overnight for prayers. A blessed Ramadan to all. Welcome to the morning net call of the Amateur Public Radio Assistance Team Incorporated, a duly registered amateur radio club with the Securities and Exchange Commission, with registration number Charlie November 201 802 3906. This is 4G1 Zulu Victor, your net control station for today's morning net call. My handle is Yahya, and I am transmitting from Dinamonan, Rizal, with 65 watts of power using Yaesu 3200. With a net 23 antenna, approximately 60 feet above the ground. Before we start, any announcement or important topic, please proceed. 4G1 Zulu Victor listening.
DW Zulu Yankee.
DW1 Zulu Yankee. Go ahead.
Ask lang po, nakita mo yung text ko sa'yo in morning.
Ay, negative 4. Wala pa. Hindi pa ako nag-check. Naka-live video.
Roger, sige, Yan, announcement po tayo. The Philippine Amateur Radio Association para Incorporated will be having its display booth tent during the celebration of the 120th Independence Day on June 11, 2018, 9 a.m. onwards, and June 12, 2018, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. only. Come and visit the Parabut sa June 11 and June 12, 2018. Magkita-kita po tayo. Maraming salamat.
Roger, Ricky, thank you for that announcement. Pero, saan yung venue? Saan yung venue ng activity?
Sa Luneta Grandstand. Yan, wala pala. Yan, sa Luneta Grandstand po yan.
Ayun, Luneta Grandstand. Please attend po sa ating activity. Please support the para activities. So, as announced by DW1 Zulu Yankee, si Ricky, our president. Thank you, Ricky, for that announcement. Any more announcement? Okay, hearing none, let us now proceed. Calling all portable and mobile stations first. All peak stations, please stand by for a while. Let's give priority to mobile and portable stations. Again, mobile and portable stations first. Make your call now. 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor, standing by.
4G1 Zulu Yankee Oscar.
Okay, 4G1 Zulu Yankee Oscar, yun lang ang narinig ko so far. Sige, go ahead, Rodi. Welcome to Upfront Morning Net Call.
Good morning, Israel. Good morning sa lahat ng nakatabay. 4G1 Zulu Yankee Oscar, Journey Janet. 33, mabuhay. Israel, Agency, Tata Popeng.
For Joan Alpagal Pax Mobile, for Tito Yahya.
Okay, 4 Injawan Alpagol Pax, your number 3. Go ahead, Kuya Jam. Good morning and welcome to Upfront Morning Net Call.
Good morning, Tito Yaya. Good morning sa lahat ng stasyon. Porijawa, Alphabet, Paksa, Pagukil. 73 yan, mabuhay. Mabuhay ang aparat ng family.
Okay, acknowledging first 2 stations, 4G1 Zulu Yankee Oscar and 4 Injawan Alpagol Pax, parehong mobile. Your station has been lag. Assalamualaikum and 73. Kuya Permin, standby lang sandali. Calling mobile and portable station. Go ahead. The 4 Hotel 1 station, please come back. Copy that, DY1 POP, standby, your number 4, D4H1 portable station, please come back.
Alpha Victory India River, si Juno Continue Branch.
Okay, copy that, 4 Hotel 1 Alpha Victory India. Kuya Jun, good morning and welcome to Upfront Morning Net Call. Ayun, copy that. That was the station of 4 Hotel 1 Alpha Victor India, si Kuya Jun of Muntinlupa. Your station has been lag. Assalamualaikum, Ramadan Mubarak. Any more portable or mobile station? Go ahead.
D1 Bravo Nancy, check in, check out. Good morning all around. Thank you. The Jet Juliet Oscar Sierra Portable.
Roger, copy that, DY1 Bravo November Gold, check in, check out. Ingat-ingat po sa biyahe. That was Kuya Bong from Project 8, Quezon City. The station of Delta Yankee 1, Juliet Oscar Sierra, please stand by, your number 7. Calling the station of Delta Yankee 1, Papa Oscar Papa. Kuya Popeng, good morning and welcome to Upfront Morning Net Call. Roger, DY1 Victor Hotel, standby. Let me first acknowledge the station of Delta Yankee 1, Papa Oscar Papa. Kuya Popeng, you're coming here 2 by 2 and choppy. Anyway, your station has been lag. Kuya Popeng, Assalamualaikum and 73.
Delta Yankee 1, Victor Lima Sierra.
Copy that. Delta Yankee 1, Victor Lima Sierra, stand by your number 8. The portable station, I heard the portable station. Please come back.
445.
Ayun, copy that. 4 Golf 1, Mike X-Ray Papa, portable. My neighbor, Oliver, good morning and welcome to Uprat Morning Net Call.
Good morning. Yankee,
Never may isang portable ka ba?
Ayun, acknowledging the station of 4 Golf 1, Mike X-Ray Papa, si Oliver ng My Neighbor in Binangonan, Rizal. Your station has been lagged. Oliver, Assalamualaikum and 73. DW1 Zulu Yankee Yankee, pakikuha nga yung portable, hindi ko naririnig.
Roger. Yan, D1 Tango Delta Victor, portable station, go ahead na po. Copy na po yan. Ayun, po, si D1 Tango Delta Victor, si Dito Romy ng Makati City, naka-portable. Balik na sa'yo, Nepor. Salamat.
Roger, sige, acknowledging the station of Delta Uniform 1, Tango Delta Victor, portable, si Kuya Romy of Makati City. Your station has been lag. Assalamualaikum and 73. Okay, the next station, number 5, Delta Yankee 1, Victor Hotel. Good morning, Kuya Willie, and welcome to Uprat Morning Net Call.
Good morning, Uprat. Good morning, Yankee. DY1, Victor, Hotel, transmitting.
Juliet Oscar Sheraton, Nepor, portable din.
Wala namang ganong babati lang po sa lahat. Delivery, mabuhay, nasusan po. Salamat.
Roger, that was Kuya Willie of Bagong Silangan, Quezon City, from the group Delta X-Ray 1, Echo Victor Mike, with station call sign Delta Yankee 1, Victor Hotel. Okay, pulutin ulit natin yung portable. Delta Yankee 1, Juliet Oscar Sierra, portable. Good morning, this is 4G1 Zulu Victor. Welcome to Uprat Morning Net Call.
Comment po.
Roger, hindi ko marinig. Wala talaga marinig. That was the station na hindi ko marinig. Delta Yankee 1, Juliet Oscar Sierra, si Kuya Joven. Sayang, Kuya Joven, hindi ko narinig yung magandang boses mo ngayong umaga. From Mandaluyong City, from the group DX1, Echo Victor Mike. Your station has been lag. Assalamualaikum.
D1 Alpha Zulu Sierra.
Yankee Sierra,
DW1 November Oscar Lima.
D1 Victor Bravo Yankee.
Kilo.
Upper November.
DB1 YUY.
D1 Alpha Zulu Sierra.
Okay, sandali lang, mahina ang kalaban. Okay, number 10 station, Delta Uniform 1, Tango Delta Victor, standby. Number 11, Delta Uniform 1, Alpha Zulu Sierra. Number 13, Delta Whiskey 1, November Oscar Lima. Going back on my list, number 8, Delta Yankee 1, Victor Lima Sierra. Good morning and welcome to Uprat Morning Net Call.
Happy good morning po, Delta Yankee 1, Victor Lima Sierra, from Montilupa. With Angelo Peter, supported and joining na rin. Pagkatang umaga mabuhay. 73.
Roger, Peter from Muntinlupa, can I have your club affiliation?
Sabi tayo kasi po, kakakuha ko lang po ng license.
Wow, congratulations Peter for having acquired a newly licensed. That was the station of Peter from Muntinlupa with station call sign Delta Yankee 1 Victor Lima Sierra. Next station, number 10, Delta Uniform 1 Tango Delta Victor. Good morning, Kuya Romy. Roger, hindi ko na markahan. Sige, puyat pa kasi. Number 12, Delta Uniform 1 Alpha Zulu Sierra. Kuya Boy, good morning and welcome to Upfront Morning Net Call.
Magandang gabi po. Napapasalaala po ang ating pista po tatlo sa inyo. You are ready to slide.
Umaga na, boy.
Roger, acknowledging the station of Delta Uniform 1 Alpha Zulu Sierra. Kuya Boy from the group DX1 Ace of Tambo, Paranaque. Your station must be lag. Assalamualaikum and 73. Next station, number 13. One of the net control of DX1 Mike. Delta Whiskey 1 November Oscar Lima. Good morning, Kuya Louie. Hindi tayo nagpangita. Nagpangita pala tayo. Hindi lang tayo nakapagpa-picture. Go ahead.
Kaya busy ka eh. Binalik ka. Ayun, checking into the morning net of Upfront. Babating mga good morning, Kuya Ricky, Kuya Yakya, Kuya Pervin, Kuya Roger, Kuya Chris, Kuya Ome. Mga nakalimutan, pasensya na. Check-in 73 together with
DY1 Mike Lima Bravo. Good morning po sa lahat. Good morning po, Tita Yakya. Checking in.
73, andyan po si D1 Victor Bravo Yankee at si Papa Delta Zero Juliet Oscar Kilo ng mataas na kaawin.
Roger, sige, copy that. Delta Uniform 1 Victor Bravo Yankee, standby, your number 15. And Papa Delta Zero Juliet Oscar Kilo, standby, your number 16. Let me first acknowledge the station, two stations from Santa Rosa, Laguna. We have Delta Whiskey 1 November Oscar Lima, si Kuya Louie, and his XYL, si Ate Cecil, with station call sign Delta Yankee 1 Mike Lima Bravo. Your stations are now properly lagged. Assalamualaikum. Next station, Delta Uniform 1 Victor Bravo Yankee. Kuya Richie, good morning at magandang umaga dyan sa Laguna.
Likos, magandang umaga rin po. Salamat sa rin good morning po mga 73.
Kapag makipilan si Tita ko dyan ay LF at si Tita Robert.
Roger, sige. Number 17, Delta Whiskey 1 India Lima Pax, standby. Let me first acknowledge the station of Delta Uniform 1 Victor Bravo Yankee, si Kuya Richie of Cabuyao, Laguna, from the group DX1ER. Your station has been lagged. Assalamualaikum and 73.
Alpha Zulu Oscar. Mobile po.
Okay, sige, paki-QSP nga po yung mobile. Please go ahead.
Ano po, pull out na natin yung mobile. Yeah, the one Papa mobile, go ahead, DB3 search for the W1 Zulu Victor.
Salamat sa rin thank you. Dito tayo sa EDSA Muñoz.
Sige po, yun ingat na. In behalf of Tito Yakya, in the acknowledge your station, checking in. Ingat po, EDSA Muñoz. So, Tito Yakya, balik po sa inyo at nasa EDSA Muñoz, hindi yun papalmong mobile.
Roger, acknowledging the station of Delta Uniform 1 Papa Alpha on mobile, si Kuya Lito ng Diliman, Quezon City. Ingat-ingat po sa biyahe, Kuya Lito. Your station has been lagged. Assalamualaikum and 73. 4F1 Alpha Pax, please stand by, your number 19. Let me go back to my list. Number 16. Papa Delta Zero, Juliet Oscar Kilo. Ayun, John Joseph, good morning and welcome to Aprat Morning Netcall.
Magandang umaga po. This is Papa Delta Zero, Juliet Oscar Kilo. Happy to joining the net and mabuhay.
Wow, that was the station of Papa Delta Zero, Juliet Oscar Kilo. Magaling na po kayong magtagalog, John Joseph. Ilang taon na po ba kayo dito? Query lamang po.
Okay, salamat po.
Roger, sige. Hindi naintindihan ng aking pagtatagalog. Query, how many years are you been here in the country?
I'm here 9 years.
Roger, kaya pala marunong ka na mag-Tagalog. Anyway, John Joseph, thank you for supporting our morning net call. Your station has been lagged. Assalamualaikum and 73. Next station, number 17, Delta Whiskey 1, India Lima Pax. Kuya Andy, good morning and welcome to Aprat Morning Net Call. Calling again the station of Delta Whiskey 1, India Lima Fox. Kuya Andy, good morning and welcome to Aprat Morning Net Call.
Tapos na yata.
Nagko-comment na po kanina.
Kasi Pima, hold on. Never may part ako niya, si Pima. Tapos na si Dito Andy.
Roger, sige, hindi ko naririnig, sumasagot pala. Okay, acknowledging the station of Kuya Andy of Valenzuela City from the group DX1ER with station call sign Delta Whiskey 1, India Lima Pax. Your station has been lagged. Assalamualaikum and Ramadan Mubarak. Sino yung portable? Pakikuha nga, Ricky.
Targets. Asyan din na Tito Robert, DW1 Nancy Sierra X-Ray. And for Gold Fund, Alpha Zulu Oscar, PMAC, Loretta, magandang umaga.
Thank you very much sa particular. Magandang umaga rin sa lahat ng mga Aprat family for Gold Fund Alpha Zulu Oscar. Join the morning net down here, GMA Network Drive. Salamat. Magandang umaga.
Likewise, magandang umaga. 550 dito sa akin. Ayan, for Gold Fund, Alpha Zulu Oscar, si PMAC na Mindanao kami. Exact location, GMA Drive. Ayan, balik na sa'yo.
Ayun, acknowledging the station of 4 Golf 1 Alpha Zulu Oscar on mobile, si PMAC from Farlink. Your station, PMAC, has been lagged. Assalamualaikum, ingat-ingat sa biyahe. 73.
Ayan, T1 Victor Hotel Zulu, Pakon.
Delta Yankee 1 Victor Hotel Zulu, standby, your number 22. Next station, our very own club trustee, 4F1 Alpha Pax. Good morning, Kuya Permin. This is 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor.
Meron pa isang portable.
Roger, pakikuha nga po, Ricky. Hindi ko naririnig yun.
Hearing that is the portable station 4G1 Alpha Whiskey Alpha. Go ahead. Bahay pa lang ito kaya portable dyan. Okay, ayun, taking back dito Yaki, si 4G1 Alpha Whiskey Alpha na dito malapit sa akin kaya pala nakatakan. Check nyo.
Roger, sige, that was the station. Negative copy here, 4G1 Alpha Whiskey Alpha. Si Kuya Bochok of Lower Antipolo on mobile. Your station has been lagged. Assalamualaikum. Next station, again, calling the station of 4F1 Alpha Pax. Kuya Permin, good morning and welcome to Aprat Morning Net Call.
Good morning, Alhamdulillah, good morning, all stations.
Ayun, assalamualaikum salam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. That was our club trustee from Awit, Cavite, with station call sign 4F1 Alpha Pax, si Kuya Permin. Your station, Kuya Permin, has been lag. 73.
Ayun, Yaya.
Come again?
Ano, saan ako natututo niya? Doon sa imam, tagyabang kasi na tinuturuan ako.
Roger, maganda yan. Practicing mo lang. Maganda sa ano yan. Tamang-tama yan.
Oo, yung bago ko natutunan, yung alhamdulillah, boss.
Roger, actually, Arabic lang yan. Pero parang English lang yan pagka natutunan mo. Roger, DB3XOX, ayun, sandali lang, Ricky, standby lang, ano. And then, the another Ricky nga pala, hindi ko na rin matatawag. Delta Whiskey 1, Zulu Yankee, standby lang po kayong dalawa. At habang nagre-relay kayo sa akin. Next station, number 20, Delta Uniform 1, Papa Alpha. Kuya Lito, good morning and welcome to Uprat Morning Net Call.
Gusto na nakamobil kanina.
Roger, sige. Next station, number 21, Delta Whiskey 1, November Sierra X-Ray. Kuya Robert, good morning and welcome to Uprat Morning Net Call.
Good morning, likewise. Good morning, other Ashokin with no traffic. Thank you, 73.
Roger, that was Kuya Robert of Dasmariñas, Cavite from the group DX1ER with station call sign Delta Whiskey 1, November Sierra X-Ray. Your station has been lagged. Assalamualaikum. Okay, the back on station, Delta Yankee 1, Victor Hotel Zulu. Please come back again. Kuya Roger, good morning.
So, hindi pa naman malakas na nag-isip ko din ako sinig ako. Maganda umaga siya. Ito yak-yak at 4G1 Sulu-Sulu dito. Good morning, Vicky. Good morning, our family. Good morning, Ray. Good morning, Bernie. Good morning, Yor. Good morning sa ibang DX1. Nagpapatala po, Delta Yankee 1 Victor Hotel Zulu. 7-3, pabuhay, salamat.
Roger, ayun, that was the station of Kuya Roger of Antipolo City with station call sign Delta Yankee 1, Victor Hotel Zulu. Your station, Kuya Roger, has been lagged. Assalamualaikum. Okay, the two relaying stations, pasensya na sa pag-antay. Delta Victor 3, XOX. Kuya Ricky, good morning and thank you sa relay. Hope maalayan mo kung matapos.
Hindi pala yung isang nakaportable malapit na sa akin yan at kaya pala kahit niya na napapasok niya. Okay, good morning dito, Yaki. W1 Zulu Victor TV3XOX, this is checking 73, mabuhay.
Ayun, acknowledging the station of Kuya Ricky with the Golden Boys of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan with station call sign Delta Victor 3 XOX. Your station has been lagged. Assalamualaikum and 73. Okay, the other QSP station, number 25, Delta Whiskey 1, Zulu Yankee. Ricky, good morning. Thank you sa relay. Welcome to Uprat Morning Network.
Hey guys, good morning. Never pakipila mo na si TW13XR sa TB3 Yankee Zulu India. Yan, nandiyan silang dalawa. Permission to pull out. DY1 Hotel Whiskey Mike, Tito Arnel ng San Marcelino. Go ahead na po. And that was the station of DY1 Hotel Whiskey Mike, Tito Arnel ng San Marcelino, Zambales. Permit isa ba? Portable station. For Gold 1, Zulu Yankee X-Ray Portable. Pat, go ahead na.
Thank you, Tito Ricky. Thank you po sa lahat ng monitor. Magandang umaga po. Uprat. For Gold 1, Zulu Yankee X-Ray. Sikat ng Teresa. Taking you 73. Mabuhay. Magkakaroon na po ba si Over.
Your exact location, Pasig, go ahead, Pat. Magandang umaga dyan. Ayan, Nevor, si 4 Gold Fans, Zulu Yankee X-Ray, si Pat from the group. Nevor, si Pima, Uprat na yan, Uprat. Ayan, TW Zulu Yankee, checking in 73. Mabuhay, balik na Nevor, salamat.
Ayun, thank you for the correction, Ricky. Pasensya na, Pimak, at Uprat ka na nga pala. Katabi lamang kita nung last Saturday. Thank you, Ricky, for the correction. Acknowledging two stations, two portable stations of Delta Yankee 1 Hotel Whiskey Mike, si Kuya Arnel of San Marcelino, Zambales, and Kuya Pat of Teresa Rizal with station call sign 4G1 Zulu Yankee X-Ray. 2 stations are now properly logged. Assalamualaikum and 73. Going back on my list, number 26, Delta Whiskey 1, Victor X-Ray Romeo. Kuya Ray, good morning and welcome to Uprat Morning Network.
Delta Victor 1, Yankee Sierra Mike.
For God 1 at Patango Sierra.
Okay, copy 2 station DB1 Yankee Sierra Mike, standby, your number 30. And 4G1 Alpha Tango Sierra, your number 31, standby. Let me acknowledge the station of Delta Yankee, Delta Whiskey 1 VXR, Kuya Ray of Cavite City. Your station has been logged. Assalamualaikum. Number 27, Delta Victor 3, Yankee Zulu India. Ayun, Kuya Romeo, good morning and welcome to Uprat Morning Network.
Good morning, Yaya, 4G1 Zulu Victor. Good morning, Ricky, and thank you sa Hillary. Good morning, Nicholas, Ricky, Chris, good morning dyan, Victory, all stations sa mundo, good morning. And Chiquin, so DB3 Yankee Zulu India, tapos na rin ng Israel, National Member, and other America, Yaya, salamat sa DB3
Okay, acknowledging 2 stations, Delta Victor 3, Yankee Zulu India, si Kuya Romeo, one of our net control Saturday edition, and our Vice President for Internal Affairs, and yung kanyang XYL, si Ate Susan, with station call sign Delta Yankee 3 Sierra Sierra November. From San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, your station has been logged. Assalamualaikum and 73. Okay, number 30, Delta Victor 1, Yankee Sierra Mike. Kuya Larry, good morning and welcome to Uprat Morning Network. Again, calling the station of Delta Victor 1, Yankee Sierra Mike. Kuya Larry, good morning. This is 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor. Sige, balikan natin si Kuya Larry maya-maya. Next station, number 31, 4 Golf 1 Alpha Tango Sierra. Ayun, our club secretary, Kuya Chris, good morning.
Hi, good morning, Yaya, at sa lahat ng station, Ricky, Tito Romeo, Copperwin, at sa lahat ng station yan. Pagod pa ng Patango Sierra, nagpapatalas, pangumaga ugnayan ng Uprat. And good morning and 73.
4G1 Alpha Zulu Sierra. Alpha Zulu Whiskey.
Deep Bully 1, Yankee Uniform Code. 4 Golf 1 Zulu Zulu Bravo.
Okay, copy 3 stations, number 33, 4 Golf 1 Alpha Zulu Whiskey, standby. Number 34, Delta Whiskey 1, Yankee Uniform Golf. Number 35, 4 Golf 1 Zulu Zulu Bravo. Let me first acknowledge the station of our club secretary, si Kuya Chris of Muntinlupa City, with station call sign 4 Golf 1 Alpha Tango Sierra. Your station has been logged, Kuya Chris. Assalamualaikum. Going back, calling again the station of Delta Victor 1, Yankee Sierra Mike. Kuya Larry, good morning and welcome to Uprat Morning Network. Sige, nagtampo na si Kuya Larry. Number 33, 4 Golf 1 Alpha Zulu Whiskey. Kuya Gary, good morning and welcome to Aprat Morning Network.
Good morning, Tito Yaya. Good morning to our station, 4G1 Alpha Zulu Whiskey, just supporting the net. No further traffic, 73. Delta Victor 1, Yankee Sierra Mike.
Roger, Delta Victor 1, Yankee Sierra Mike, standby. As I acknowledge the station of 4 Golf 1 Alpha Zulu Whiskey. Si Kuya Gary, also from the group Aprat, from Marikina City. Your station, Kuya Gary, has been logged. Assalamualaikum. Okay, the station of Delta Victor 1, Yankee Sierra Mike. Kuya Gary, go ahead. Good morning.
Likewise, good morning, Apia. Good morning, Ricky. At good morning sa lahat. Delta Victor 1, Yankee Sierra Mike. Si Larry po ng GMA Cavite. No traffic, just check me. Supporting the XWA. Supporting Apratnet 73. Mabuhay. Good morning. Over Sierra.
DB1 Sierra Hotel November.
Okay, copy that. DB1 Sierra Hotel November, standby, your number 36. Let me first acknowledge the station of Kuya Larry of Cavite City from the group DX1ER with station call sign Delta Victor 1 Yankee Sierra Mike. Si Kuya Larry po is one of the net control of DX1ER. Your station, Kuya Larry, has been logged. Assalamualaikum and 73. Number 34, Delta Whiskey 1, Yankee Uniform Gold. Kuya Boy, good morning. 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor, listening.
Likewise, good morning. This is DW1 Yankee Uniform Gold. Checking in ang 73. Mabuhay. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat din, Kuya Boy. Kuya Boy of Lipa City from the group DX1 Delta Alpha Charlie with station call sign Delta Whiskey 1 Yankee Uniform Gold. Your station has been logged. Assalamualaikum and 73. Number 35, also from the group Aprat, 4 Golf 1 Zulu Zulu Bravo. Ayun, Kuya Miller, good morning and welcome to Aprat Morning Net Call. Kumusta ka na at mukhang na-hospital ka?
Good morning, Tito Yaya at Tito Ricky. Good morning po, Chris, Gary, Tito Me. Sa lahat po nakatabi na station po, lahat po nakamonitor. Si Tito Miller po, 4 Golf 1 Zulu Zulu Bravo. At pakitala na rin si Tita Nemia, 4 Golf 1 Zulu Zulu Alpha Papa Delta. So under traffic, medyo okay na at hindi na lang po ang resulta. So 73, mabuhay. Hotel 1, Alpha Yankee Papa.
Okay, copy 2 station, Delta Yankee 3, Lima Zulu Alpha, standby, your number 38. Number 39, Paul Hotel 1, Alpha Yankee Papa, standby. Let me acknowledge the station of 4 Golf 1, Zulu Zulu Bravo, si Kuya Miller, our elected chairman of the board, at yung kanyang XYL, si 4 Golf 1, Alpha Papa Delta, si Ate Nemia. 2 stations are now properly logged. Assalamualaikum and 73. Next station, number 36, Delta Victor 1, Sierra Hotel November. Kuya Nilo, good morning and welcome to Aprat Morning Network.
Morning lang. Just supporting the net, 73. May motis, DW1 Sierra Papa. 73.
Roger, copy the mobile station, Delta Whiskey 1, Sierra Papa, standby. Your next, let me acknowledge first the station of Delta Victor 1, Sierra Hotel November, si Kuya Nilo from the group Delta X-Ray 1, Mike of Santa Rosa City. Your station has been logged. Assalamualaikum. Okay, all stations standby. We have a mobile station. Delta Whiskey 1, Sierra Papa. Kuya Dan, good morning at ingat-ingat po sa biyahe.
Good morning. Just supporting the morning. Anong traffic? 73. Mabuhay. Ramadan Mubarak.
Ayun, Ramadan Mubarak din. Query present location for my record.
Present location, Santa Rosa Complex.
Ayun, Santa Rosa Complex, present location. That was Kuya Dan of DX1 Delta Alpha Charlie with station call sign Delta Whiskey 1 Sierra Papa. Your station Kuya Dan has been lag. Ingat-ingat po. Assalamualaikum.
Delta Whiskey 3, Whiskey Kilo X-ray.
Copy that, Delta Whiskey 3, Whiskey Kilo X-ray, standby, your number 41. Next station, Delta Yankee 3, Lima Zulu Alpha. Kuya Mario, good morning and welcome to Aprat Morning Network.
Good morning mga kabal. Delta Yankee 3, Lima Zulu Alpha. Assalamualaikum.
Ayun, waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kuya Mario, with station call sign Delta Yankee 3, Lima Zulu Alpha, of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Your station is now properly lag. Assalamualaikum. Number 39, 4 Hotel 1, Alpha Yankee Papa. Ayun, Kuya Elmer, good morning and nice meeting you last Saturday.
Good morning, Tita Yaya. Good morning, Ricky. Good morning po sa lahat. For Hotel 1, Alpha Yankee Papa, and the po ng Marikina, supporting the Aprat Morning, 73, mabuhay.
Ayun, that was Kuya Elmer from the group Aprat of Marikina City with station call sign 4 Hotel 1 Alpha Yankee Papa. Your station, Kuya Elmer, is now properly lag. Salam and 73. Number 41, Delta Whiskey 3, Whiskey Kilo X-ray. Kuya Ben, good morning. This is 4G1 Zulu Victor.
Likewise, good morning, Brother Yakya. Magandang umaga rin na Pras at mga fellows and neighbors. Good morning, Delta Whiskey 3, Whiskey Kilo X-ray, nagpapasala. Maraming salamat. Ito po tatlo at mabuhay.
Ayun, 73 at mabuhay din po Kuya Ben of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan with station call sign Delta Whiskey 3, Whiskey Kilo X-ray. Any more station?
Sorry, Joanne at Oscar Bravo.
4 Gold 1, Mike Yankee Victor.
4 Gold 1, Mike. Victor Shell.
Delta Whiskey 1, Yankee November Juliet.
Gold 1, Mike X-ray, Mike.
Okay, hindi ko nakuha yung huling station na yun. Standby lamang po. 4 India 1, Alpha Oscar Bravo. Standby lang sandali. Acknowledge ko lang yung mga nakuha kong station. Number 43, 4 Gold 1, Mike Yankee Victor. Standby. Number 44, 4 Gold 1, Mike Victor Sierra. 45, Delta Whiskey 1, Yankee November Juliet. And number 46, 4 Gold 1, Mike X-ray Mike. Standby. Calling the station of 4 India 1, Alpha Oscar Bravo. Batchmate, good morning. This is 4G1 Zulu Victor. Go ahead.
Good morning, Batchmate. 4G1 Zulu Victor for Aprat Morning Net. 4G1 Alpha Oscar Bravo just supported the net. Traffic 73, mabuhay 555 here.
Roger, you're coming here 5 by 3. That was the station of my batchmate. Iniwan na po ako. 4 India 1 na po silang dalawa nung kasama ko. 4 India 1 Alpha Oscar Bravo. Si Kuya Ronnie of Las Piñas City from the group DX1 Alpha Romeo Mike. Your station has been lag. Assalamualaikum. Number 43, 4 Gold 1 Mike Yankee Victor. Ate Gigi, good morning and welcome to Aprat Morning Network.
Good morning, Tita Yaya. Good morning, all stations. 4 Gold 1, Mike Yankee Victor. Checking in 73. Salamat.
Ayun, that was Ate Gigi, also from the group Aprat, from Antipolo City with station call sign 4 Gold 1 Mike Yankee Victor. Ate Gigi, your station has been lagged. Assalamualaikum and 73. Number 44, 4 Gold 1 Mike Victor Sierra. Kuya Mark, good morning and welcome to Aprat Morning Network.
Likewise, good morning sa lahat ng station. This is 4 Gold 1, Mike Victor Shell. Government public just supporting morning net transmitted by Ed McCoy.
Ayun, acknowledging the station of 4 Golf 1, Mike Victor Sierra, si Kuya Mark of GMA Cavite. Your station has been logged. Assalamualaikum and 73. Number 45, Delta Whiskey 1, Yankee November Juliet. Kuya Larry, good morning and welcome to Aprat Morning Network.
Good morning, Yankee. Good morning, Peluan. This is Delta Whiskey 1, Yankee November Juliet. Transmitting your card, Caloocan. And there's Larry from the group Magellan. On the traffic, just joining, supporting your morning net, 73 and mabuhay. Good morning, Ricky.
Ayun, that was the station of Kuya Larry from the group Magellan of North Caloocan with station call sign Delta Whiskey 1, Yankee November Juliet. Thank you, Kuya Larry, for always supporting our morning net call. Your station has been done. Assalamualaikum. Number 46, 4 Golf 1, Mike, X-Ray Mike. Good morning, this is 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor.
Good morning, Tito Yaya. This is Porgal po, Mike X-Ray Mike. Nahandle of Joel. Last meeting here po, those yung further traffic. Yung Tito Ricky, good morning, good morning.
Hey guys, good morning.
Ayun, acknowledging the station of 4 Golf 1, Mike, X-Ray Mike. Also from the group Aprat, si Kuya Joel of Antipolo City. The station has been logged. Assalamualaikum and 73. Any more station?
Golf 1, Mike X-Ray November.
Copy that. 4 Golf 1, Mike X-Ray November. Go ahead. Good morning and welcome to Aprat Morning Network. Kuya Jojo.
Morning, Patron. Morning, Tito Ricky. Good morning to all. Golf 1, Mike X-Ray November. Checking in. Supporting the morning net. 73 natin.
Ayun, acknowledging the station of 4 Golf 1, Mike X-Ray November, si Kuya Jojo of Lower Antipolo City from the group Parlink. Your station has been logged. Assalamualaikum.
Aprat na rin yan.
Ayun, aprat na rin pala. Sige, tika, correct ko lang sandali. Okay, thank you Ricky for the correction. Any more station who would like to join our morning net call? Make your call now. This is 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor onboard Amateur Public Radio Assistance Team Incorporated. Make your call now.
Delta Whiskey 1, Sierra Papa.
Okay, the station after Sierra Papa Papa, please come back. Negative. Any relay for Golf, ano yun?
Relay, Tito Yaya.
Go ahead, paki-relay nga po.
For Hotel 1, ano yan, Bravo, India Papa.
Roger, sige, thank you, Kuya for Hotel 1, Bravo, India, Papa. Go ahead, good morning. This is 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor. Please state your handle, your location, and club affiliation for my dog.
S1, Bravo, India Papa. Mula po sa Luzon, Pati. Napakala po, Dumapati. Mabuhay.
Roger, you're coming here 3/7. Malakas yung signal pero hindi maintindihan yung audio. Any relay? Ano yung information niya?
Relay, pa-relay, Tito Yaya. Go ahead, Tito Ambet, good morning, welcome to the net. Yes, good morning. That's one, Bravo India Papa, mula po sa Luzon ng Pati. Okay, sige, acknowledge your station, Hotel 1, Bravo India Papa. At maraming salamat for always supporting the net. Your station is loud and clear, 73. Back to you, Tito Yaya, Hotel 1, Bravo India Papa, pag-acknowledge dito ang pet ng Pasig.
Roger, Ambet of Pasig, ano yung kanyang club?
Wala pa, kapapasalang niya, sa atin.
Dapat.
Ayun, welcome na welcome kayo rito sa aming group, Kuya Ambet of Pasig, with station call sign for Hotel 1, Bravo, India, Papa. And congratulations for your newly acquired call sign. Your station has been logged. Assalamualaikum. Okay, thank you for waiting. Number 48, Delta Whiskey 1, Sierra, Papa, Kuya Ramil, good morning. 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor here.
Assalamualaikum, Consul Tito Yakya. Good morning, Press Wiki, and good morning, all other station. This is Dito Palawan, Sierra Papa, from Tagaytay City, Cavite. So can I enjoy supporting internet? No follow topic, God bless, and 73 all around. Mabuhay!
Ayun, that was Kuya Ramir of Tagaytay City, ang taas ng kanyang location. From the group Delta X-Ray 1 Echo Romeo with station call sign Delta Whiskey 1 Sierra Papa. Any more station?
DB1YUY.
Copy that. DB1YUY. Good morning. This is 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor. Make your call.
Good morning, Tito Yaya. Good morning, Malaram. Good morning, Tito Ricky. Good morning, Malaram. Delta Victor 1 Yankee Uniform Yankee. Sisang Nangimus from the X1 here. Yun support in the morning at 73 PM. Mabuhay. Salamat po.
Ayun, acknowledging the station of Delta Victor 1 Yankee Uniform Yankee. Kuya Sam of Imus, Cavite City with from the group DX1ER. Thank you, Kuya Sam, for always joining and supporting our morning net call. Your station has been logged. Any more?
415, my Krispy Kreme mobile.
For Golf 1, Mike Blanc Queen. Please come back.
401, Mike Whiskey Cream mobile.
Ayun, copy that. Loud and clear. For Golf 1, Mike Whiskey Queen Mobile. Kuya Ricky, good morning. Welcome to Uprat Morning Net Call.
Morning, Tito Yaya. 401, my Krispy Kreme mobile along Quezon Avenue. No traffic, just joining for the Uprat. Everything alright.
Ayun, that was for Golf 1, Mike Whiskey Quebec on mobile along Quezon Avenue from Molino 6, Cavite City. Your station, Kuya Ricky, has been logged. Assalamualaikum and 73. Any more?
Well, may portable gas. Try pa ako makakopya.
Okay, the portable station, please go ahead.
Copy mo, Level.
Roger, negative copy. Wala, may kaluskos eh. Wala.
Okay, copy. Dalawang portable yan. For H1 Alpha Juliet Echo, hold on. DW1 BIQ. Tito Jing, go ahead na. Portable station. Okay na, Tito Jing. Maraming salamat. Pagkataw bagay dyan sa inyo sa Makati. Ayun, si Tito Jing. DW1 BIQ. Naka-rubber duck. Next station for H1 Alpha Juliet Echo. Tito Fred, go ahead na po. Copy na yan. That was the station for H1 Alpha Juliet Echo. Si Tito Fred from the group. Maraming salamat. To station now. Properly, like it clear. Never adjust the power go from BCO.
Roger, copy that. For Golf 1, Bravo Charlie Oscar, stand by. You're next. Let me first acknowledge the two portable stations. The station of Kuya Jing, naka-rubber duck lang. Delta Whiskey 1, Victor in Quebec. Kumusta na, Kuya Jing? Hindi kita marinig. Next time, pasya lang kita dyan. Next, the station of 4 Hotel 1, Alpha Juliet Echo, si Kuya Alfred of Antipolo City. Two portable stations are now properly logged. Assalamualaikum sa inyong dalawa and 73. Next station, 4 Golf 1, Bravo Charlie Oscar. Bukayo, good morning and welcome to Uprat Morning Network. Roger, you're coming here 3 by 2 with rushing sound. That was the station of 4 Golf 1, Bravo Charlie Oscar. Si Kuya John, May Pukayo, o Antipolo City, also from the group Aprat. Any more?
DB1 Oscar Mike Victor.
Copy that, loud and clear. DB1 Oscar Mike Victor. Kuya Rolly, good morning and welcome to Aprat Morning Netcall.
Good morning, Control. Good morning, Ricky. At good morning sa lahat. Nagpapatala lang sa Aprat Morning Net. 73 ay mabuhay.
Ricky Toroli.
Roger, acknowledging the station of Delta Victor 1, Oscar Mike Victor, si Kuya Rolly of Pasig City. Your station has been logged. Assalamualaikum. And 73. Any more station? Okay, time check 6:40 in the morning. This is my last call. Any station that would like to join our morning net call, this is my last call. Make your call now. 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor listening.
Dito yan, pala lang si Delta Victor 1, Romeo November Whiskey. Si Roy lang sila at Bangkang Group of Barley.
Roger, si Roy ng Parlink, saan ang kanyang QTH?
Sila kapita sila, DB1RNW, sila ang kapita.
Roger, sige, acknowledging the station of Delta Victor 1, Romeo November Whiskey, si Roy of Silang Cavite from the group Parlink. Any more station?
DW3 Foxtrot Delta Romeo for the net.
Roger, copy that. Loud and clear. Delta Whiskey 3, Foxtrot Delta Romeo. Kuya Peder, good morning and welcome to Aprat Morning Net Call.
Ayun, good morning Control, good morning Pedro ang DW3 Foxtrot Delta Romeo with the handle of Peder transmitting down here in Kawayan, Bulacan. From the group DX3 Hotel, no other traffic, just joining and supporting the morning net, 73 Mabuhay.
Ayun, that was Kuya Feder of May Kawayan, Bulacan. From the group DX3 Hotel. Ayun, pagrupo ni Kuya Boyet at ni Tita Klim. Kumusta na lang po sa kanilang dalawa. Delta Whiskey 3, Foxtrot Delta Romeo. Your station has been logged. Assalamualaikum. Any more? Okay, last call. Any more station who would like to join the net? Make your call now. This is my last call.
Juliet Romeo Victor.
Okay, Juliet Romeo Victor. Copy that. Good morning. Ano yung iyong suffix nga pala? Nakalimutan ko.
Sabi mo, wala pa akong calls. Wala pang license.
Oh!
Good morning na lang po, JDD 73.
Good morning na lang po, JDD 73.
Ayun, acknowledging the station of Juliet Romeo Victor. Ito yung harmonic ni Kuya Louie. Ayun, tinetrain talaga na maging amateurista. Ano na kayo Kuya Louie, buong pamilya na. Anyway, Juliet Romeo Victor, thank you for joining our morning net call. The youngest net caller for today. Your station has been logged. Assalamualaikum. Any more? Last call. Make your call now. 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor listening. Okay, hearing none. We will now proceed to close.
Panginoon, Alfa Romeo Mike na dyan.
Roger, copy that. 4 India 1 Alpha Romeo Mike. Kuya Peter, before we close, please go ahead. Good morning and welcome to Aprat Net Call.
Location mo, Peter. sa Valenzuela. Tapos na report.
Roger, wala akong marinig. Thank you, Ricky, for the relay. That was the station of 4 India 1, Alpha Romeo Mike. Si Kuya Peter of Delta X-Ray 1, Delta Alpha Charlie, of Valenzuela City. Any more? Hearing none, we will now proceed to close. Thank you all. Wow, 59 stations. The highest turnout of net call so far, as per my record. 59 stations. Thank you. And thank you also to the USP stations of Delta Whiskey 1, Zulu Yankee Yankee, si Kuya Ricky, our president. Also the station of Delta Victor 3, XOX, also si Ricky. And the station of from Santa Rosa, si Kuya Louie, Delta Whiskey 1, November Oscar Lima. Thank you sa inyong suporta.
Apol, Model 3, Papa Hotel. Kuya Yahya, Apol, nandiyan si Kuya Boyet, Papa Hotel.
Roger, sige, ayun, tama-tama Kuya Boyet. Pwede pa, 4F3, Papa Hotel. Kuya Boyet, good morning and welcome to Uprat Morning Net Call.
Yan, maraming salamat kay Louie at I nagdalay. Maraming salamat. Ayan, 4G1 Zulu Victor, 4DX1 Uprat. Yan, si 4Factory Papa Hotel. Mahabol po pagpapatala. 5960 pa rin dito sa Malolos. Ang lipid binamonan ba yun? Good morning.
Roger, acknowledging the station of 4F3 Papa Hotel, si Kuya Boyet. You made my record number 60, breaking the record sa aking listahan. Ayun, 60 stations, ano? Thank you all 60 stations. I hope to catch you all on air again in the next edition of the net. This has been your temporary net control station for Golf 1 Zulu Zulu Victor saying Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar. A blessed Ramadan to all. Frequency 1/4 decimal power 20 megahertz. Now back to its normal modulation. The net call is closed.
Thank you, Yahya.